week of June garden. It's the flower beds. See lemon balm and echinaceas doing very well. Added some pods of mint and calendula. Strawberry plants are really taking off. Not a lot of fruit, but enough to snack on. It's our lemon boy tomato. It's got some lemons on there. Monsters rosemary bush there. Potted onion to get some seed from. Very little on the starter table at the moment. Thankfully, most of it's in the ground. It's our orange tree. Finally got the weeds cut down in the yard. It's looking good. Another flower bed here I've got going in front of my pumpkin patch. Taking out a lot of the nasturtiums. Get ready for some other plantings. It takes me so long to get to the back here. Let's check out the fig tree, pear tree. Apricot trees coming along, and that's in front of the spice beds. Looking a little bare, but basil's coming along. More trees, including the lovely loquat in the background. Get some blueberries on our lemonade blueberry bush. Just a few, but it's producing. The foliage has died back on the potatoes, so time to harvest very soon. Look at the change in kale and chard and kohlrabi. Actually looks like it now. You can see the little bulbs at the bottom. And we have tons of volunteer tomatoes in this bed from having the tomatoes here last. Okay, I never get enough time on my videos, but let's see. Got eggplants. Not seeing too much action from those, but I do see one little flower just there. Watermelon, nice and small. They're taking to in-ground pretty well. Go over here to Melon Hill, see what's going on. Okay, got a honeydew. See some flowers starting to open up. Got 8-ball squash here. Got at least one coming. Cantaloupe. Lots of, oh no, that is a green bean. How did you get here? Okay. Cucumber. big tree is putting on a lot of feed. See if I make it to the beans before the camera cuts out again. Bear's line. It's a few. Was putting out a lot of fruit a couple weeks ago.